NBC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
It's nice, right? It's beautiful out here. We have ample sunshine, and that'll be taking us right through the daytime hours today, which, of course, get shorter and shorter. In fact, if you're keeping track at home, sunrise time this morning was at 6:42. Our sunset today is at 4:21. Another item of importance here are our averages, 34 and 51. And it has been some time since we've seen 34 to start a day and 51 to end. We were well below average. In fact, about 10 degrees cooler than average to start this morning. We began at 22 in Providence. Now we've come up to 36 with the help of that sunshine. But there's one more element in here. We're changing our wind direction. We're moving in air now from the southwest. And the southwesterly wind tends to bring in warmer air, and that's the process that's going to get us back to more seasonable temperatures. Again, that average high of 51. You'll notice our wind speeds have increased. We are greater than 10 miles per hour for most areas, and we have been picking up locally higher gusts, greater than 20 miles per hour. Winds as of now are expected to max out at 25 mile per hour gusts, but still, with temperatures this cool in the 30s, it does mean it's going to feel cooler. So it's going to feel like the 20s, and it does. And this will continue, again, for our daylight hours today. As we lose the light of the day, though, once we get towards the evening, we're going to see a clear sky. Our winds are going to begin to relax a little bit, and that's going to allow temperatures to drop off once more for tomorrow morning before we can finally find, milder, more seasonal temperatures. Again, 30 and 51. So we have a warm front that's scooting on through. It's more going to impact northern New England as it is, again, with clouds and a couple of showers, but that'll be about it. That moves out. High pressure then moves in to take its place. And this is what's going to do a couple of things. First of all, it's going to help keep our winds calm. They're going to slacken, and we're not going to have to deal with the wind chill as we go to tomorrow because this area of high pressure will be in charge. So the still air mass will be with us as we go through the day. It will also basically give us sunshine from wall to wall, help keep these clouds up to northern New England rather than funnel them through southern New England. So a really nice trend will continue, and we get these temperatures back up to where they typically would be. Just a quick preview of your tomorrow morning lows. We will likely be in the 30s, so 10 degrees warmer than where we started this morning, and inching ever closer to that average low of 36. Wanted to point out an early look to your Thanksgiving plans. As of now, travel conditions between now and Thursday are looking fine. I'd say your biggest obstacle weather-wise would be maybe solar glare if you're leaving anywhere in the mornings, but otherwise mostly sunny, really pleasant conditions, and temperatures should top out at 46. Here's your forecast for today. It's going to be sunny. It will be blustery, again, with those winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour. And it's going to be chilly, too. 41 is where the mercury will top, but of course with those winds it will be feeling a little bit cooler. So overnight tonight, mainly clear, breezy, and on the cold side as lows will be dropping into the 20s. But again, those winds will relax as we continue through the evening, so wind chill isn't going to be an issue so much for tomorrow. Here's your extended forecast, and once we get by Thanksgiving, we have a couple of question marks. The potential of a developing coastal storm. And of course, we'll be watching that one very carefully. We have a lot of, it's like juggling chainsaws sometimes. A lot of balls in the air.